Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Trillionaire Mac, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are basically going to be breaking down DXY. My current Telegram clients are in this trade. Second link in the description if you would like to gain access to my trade setups. Alright, we were first looking for price was up here within this area. Alright, I told my clients we were going to look for price to tap into here, and we were going to look for price to push to the upside. Alright, we're going to get into a lot in this video. It may be a little longer than usual, but it's okay. Hope you guys can hang in there with me, and I'll probably edit it down so it's not too long. Alright, with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Alright, so as we can see, of course I have to give you guys the before. As we can see within this case, price within or the price of the DXY was up here within this area. This was the Sunday night webinar that I sent out to all of my Telegram clients and traders. Alright, we were waiting for price to push to the downside into this blue area, and then we were going to look for a possible entry. Right, so as you guys can see, that's exactly what took place in this entire area. Alright, so now that price is down here, what I want you guys to do is hopefully you guys can get in on this right along with us. Okay, if not, that's completely fine, but maybe you can. Within my Telegram channel, alright, we took entries here based on the entry model that I give to all of my clients free of charge. Well, I guess it's not free of charge, right, because it comes with your subscription, but it's something that you guys can use on your own. So once you study exactly why I'm taking the trades, exactly how I'm taking the trades, you can simply swing trade on your own. Now, it's not going to give you, 20-30% a trade like my lower time frame strategy does with my mentorship students. Third link in the description, or second, right? Using the institutional trading course, which is the first link in the description. All right, so it's not going to give you those types of results, but being a part of the Telegram channel definitely has its pros, because if we go down to our lower time frame entry, so if we go to our lower time frame entry, right, price was, we were up 8.9% within a matter of a couple of hours. In 6 hours, we were up almost 90% of an FTMO challenge completed. All right, hold on, let's move this up just a little bit. There we go. Right, not bad at all, guys. All right, so for those of you who understand my lower time frame entries and things like that, it's a game changer for sure. Right, so in this case here, okay, we took entries based on price first failing this demand here, okay, had a switch of market structure, had a transition from price creating downtrend structure to now price started to create uptrend structure. Okay, I did not trade any of this internal structure here to the downside. Okay, and then we see that price taps into our point of interest. All right, the area that was the demand that was responsible for taking out this supply here, but most importantly our failed reaction. Price trades back into that area, and then we're looking for price to push to the upside. Alright, so my first target is going to, of course, be based off the M15, where I will be pulling maybe 60% of my trade, since this is the DXY. Alright, so I'll be pulling 60% of my trade, around 6.32%, and I will pull the rest of my trade at our H4 high, which is here. Okay, now the fact that price, so price created a strong low here. Okay, it's a strong low because we take out this high, then we create a high here. This high is weak, okay? This high is weak because we aren't able to break a low. The low that we would need to break in order for this to be a strong high would be this low here, okay? So these lows are now strong. Why are these lows strong? Because they break this high. So when price comes back to this area, we're not looking for this to fail, okay? It can fail. Price can push to the downside. We'll take minus 1%, okay? And then we'll look for a valid reaction at this level here, okay? So this is a valid recommendation for anyone watching this YouTube video. If this does fail here, okay, then we'll simply just look for our entry confluences at this level here, and you guys can do the same. You all who have your own entry confluences, you guys can use my zones as well on, videos like these. All right, but the fact that this low here, okay, is responsible for taking out this high, we're expecting the area that demand came into the market, we're expecting whoever was responsible for pumping demand into this area, we're expecting them to protect their position in order to push price to the upside. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, we're going to be patient. All right, we're not going to rush anything. We are currently in this position right now. Okay, my lower time frame entry is risk free. But as always, I take higher time frame entries right along with my students and my clients. All right. So that is what I'm expecting of the DXY. After that, then we'll see what happens. Whether price continues to push to the upside or whether we reverse. Okay, but I'm not really worried about the next trade. Okay, right now I'm looking to capitalize off of this, hopefully collect around 9.88% on the higher time frame, and that would give us around. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna run full volume though. That's one thing. Excuse me, guys. My throat is a little dry. So I'll probably close most of this position. Wow. I'll probably close most of this position here. Definitely like 80%. Around 4. Wow, that's not bad at all. Let's see what happens. I'm already risk-free on the trade, so really I'm just going to let it run. I'm up a pretty decent amount right now, around 5.8%. And you guys know me, I'm happy with 5% per trade. But I'm going to let it run. Let's see what happens. Definitely the M15 entry I'm going to allow to run to our H4 highs, and our M1 entry I'll allow to run to our M15 swing highs, which would be here. All right. So with that being said, I hope you guys find value in this. I'm going to release it before the next New York session, so hopefully those individuals who do watch this, either my friends in London, my friends in Europe, if you guys are able to watch this, and hopefully you guys can capitalize off of the US dollar gaining strength during New York session, or those individuals who trade in the mornings and who check out my videos before they trade, hopefully you can benefit from this as well. All right. With that being said, this is your boy Trillionaire Mac. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you would like to join the family. I would love to have you all part of my YouTube trading family. Be sure to leave a like on the video if you found value. Remember, if we do have a zone wipeout, then we'll just look for another entry elsewhere. Okay, but this is a calculated risk. This is a calculated recommendation. Remember, you can lose money when it comes to trading the foreign exchange market, and I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you you should invest into this. Okay, just use this as a possible example, and feel free to paper trade it. All right. With that being said, much love for you guys. Hit that bell notification icon to be updated when I upload a video. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.